Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So Diwali सिर्फ 7 दिन में है and I've decided that I'll be posting a video each day till Diwali. I'm really excited for this series and I hope you guys enjoy each and every video which I post and I'm hoping that you like it as well. Please help me grow this family even bigger by subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now let me tell you what today's video is about. So today in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my top 8 products which I absolutely love, and these are all under 250 rupees. They're affordable and they are really nice. They perform really well. So let's just start with the first product. The first product I have here with me is the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick. These retails for just rupees 199. They come in a full size as well. मैंने ये काफी ज़्यादा use की है and this is the shade Caramel Margarita. I love this shade. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा shade है ये. Let me just swatch it for you. This is how the shade looks like. This is such a nice brown nude shade and these lipsticks have a creamy matte formula, and if you haven't tried out this particular lipstick you should definitely go ahead and check it out. As winters are around the corner, we all need this in our lives and it is a moisturizer. I'm talking about the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is how it looks like. It is a moisturizer and it is really thick moisturizer. It is really very creamy and very hydrating. If you're someone who has dry skin and आपको winters में थोड़ा heavy and thick moisturizer लगाने की जरूरत पड़ती है, you should check this out. It is hydrating, it is thick but it is non-greasy. It will not clog your pores as well. It is very nice and this is just 30 gram product. So आप पहले ये छोटा वाला साइज ले सकते हो and then you can, if you like it, you can take the bigger version of it. And this one retails for rupees 195. It is really nice. Cetaphil का जो normal moisturizer है, even that is really nice. I highly recommend this one. The next product which we have here is a body mist and this is from Lair Water Girl. This is how it looks like. ये मैंने अभी recently order किया था and it's been just 10 days, but since last 10 days I've been using this continuously. It is in the fragrance Mystic Island. It has such a fresh and nice fragrance and I really wanted to try out the vanilla variant as well, but मेरे पास plum का vanilla वाला already है, इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिया वो वाला. I went for this one and this is also so good. This is just for rupees 199. You will always get all of these products in discount in Nykaa or in Amazon. If you're looking for a mist that is really affordable but of good quality, you know what you need to try. Moving on, we have a kajal with us and this is the Faces Magnetized Kajal and I have been obsessed with this and this is how the kajal looks like. I've been using this kajal since last 4-5 years now. My eyes are really sensitive and watery. मतलब मैं ऐसा होता है कि मैं फाउंडेशन या फिर कंसीलर भी लगा रही हूँ तो भी मेरे आंखों से पानी गिरने लग जाता है. My eyes are so sensitive. मेरे काजल बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी स्मज जाता है, but this kajal is so good. It glides on very easily. It does not irritate your eye. It is jet black. It is very inexpensive. It is from Faces and it is for just rupees 179 and आपको इसमें भी हमेशा डिस्काउंट मिलता है कुछ ना कुछ and ये इतनी जल्दी स्मज नहीं होती. I've been using this kajal since so long now and I just love it. The next product which we have is again from Nykaa and it is their compact and I am in the shade Sand 04 and this is how it looks like. It is a really nice daily kind of compact. It comes with a sponge which I don't use and a mirror, and the mirror is really nice by the way. So it retails for rupees 225 and it is lightweight. It will not feel heavy on your face. So on the days when I don't want too much coverage and I don't want to wear too much makeup, I just apply my concealer and I'm sorted. It is really nice. So if you're a beginner or if you're just looking for a very nice affordable compact, you can check this one out. The next product which we have here is a concealer and it is from Swiss Beauty. You can see यहाँ से ना ये खाली हो गया. I've used so much. I am in the shade 01. The only problem which I have with this concealer is कि इस range में बहुत ज़्यादा shades available नहीं है. They just have 4 to 5 shades which I think is a bit off for me because this is such a beautiful concealer. I have dry skin but this doesn't dry out my under eyes. And this is a perfect shade for me to hide my dark circles and everything. This is really nice. The formula is really good. It blends really easily, and this is so affordable. This is just for rupees 299. I really hope they come out with more shades because this is really nice. We are just left with the last two products, and the second last product which I have is again from Swiss Beauty. It is their eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. It comes in different shade ranges. I have the shade number 01 with me. It is so affordable and it is such good quality. The shades are really nice. They blend really nicely. It is a nice mix of matte and shimmer shades. It is a really nice eyeshadow palette. If you're looking for an affordable eyeshadow palette, this is a really good option. You can also try e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes, and Nika K eyeshadow palettes are also very nice. But this is one of my most favorite. The last product which we have here is a bit over the budget. I'm talking about this hair mask. It is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. So basically it comes in a duo with the shampoo and this hair mask. तो अगर आपको प्लम का शैम्पू या फिर ये हेयर मास्क ट्राई करने का मन है and you don't want to invest in those big tubs, you can first try out these minis and then invest in those. I have already used the shampoo. This combo retails for rupees 275 and you can get it on a discount. This is so good, you guys. मेरे को शैम्पू भी अच्छा लगा, but शैम्पू से ज्यादा मेरे को ये हेयर मास्क अच्छा लगा है. I'm actually planning on to buy the bigger size. I also love the L'Oreal hair mask. It is one of my favorite, but agar after L'Oreal, if you ask me what is my favorite, this one. It is so good. It makes your hair so soft, and if you have chemically treated hair which have become frizzy and dry and you need moisture, try this one out. It is really nice. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा hair mask है ये. Alright you guys, with this I finished my first video of this Diwali series. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do let me know in the comments down below कि आपको और किस टाइप के वीडियोस देखने का मन है, and also इनमें से आपको कौन से प्रोडक्ट सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे लगे, and if you are looking forward for this Diwali series or not. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali in advance. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.